ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ডিএস গুপ্তা। তো তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ এখানে, লাইক ইউ ক্যান সি, I have again chopped off my hair, and this time let me tell you, it's a A-line bobbed haircut. Yes, done it all by myself, and I will show you how do you achieve this kinda look. So first of all, we will brush and detangle all our hair and make a ponytail. The way I'm showing, this is step number 1. Take a proper rubber band and tie a knot. Yes, please extend it till that part you want to be chopped off, and not from the upward direction but from the sideward direction, or if anybody is there to help you, you can ask them to chop it right away. What happens, you can see the next. What happens the next, you will be able to see, sorry. So this is how I'm chopping it off, and I'm this time trying to show you the backward direction of my hair cutting. Now the next step is ear to ear partition was taken, and you can see that it's not a straight line but a A line already is formed. And now to match it, I'm doing it again. From ear to ear I have taken the hair and tied it and lowered it. Now this is the point I'm going to chop it off. 1 2 3 4, and it's almost done. Take it off and see, brush it. You can stop here, but I wanted to match the entire look, so I wanted to chop off the excess layers also. The bobbed haircut is done actually. Now we will do the layers or feather cut, whatever you say. I'm doing that only. So this is the portion I'm going to cut diagonally straight. The diagonal hair to be cut straight, okay, 90 degree. And see, it's done. How well it's done. The ones who do not do it on their own, please try to follow the steps. These are the excess hair that we are going to chop it off. Okay, so I'm chopping this side as well. Can't show you from that end, I don't have excess camera. So this is the ultimate thing, even though I wanted to chop off the bangs, so that's what I'm gonna show you. See, taking it from the temple area. Okay, it's short, but just to match with the look, I'm shortening it more. The previous haircut was also done by myself, as you all know. So it's done, and see, yeah, people do a lot of wolf cut, but I think I'm good enough with this A-line bobbed haircut. Especially it's winter time, and every day washing it off. Anyway, subscribe, like, share, comment.